press the bell icon from the YouTube app so that you never miss any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to JOYEETA and this is JOYEETA. So today's video is again going to be an unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing the April month's GlamEgo box. So this is how the April month's GlamEgo box looks like. It is fully based on the summer skincare product. As the summer season is here, so we really need to pamper our skin, and all the product which they have sent, all the product contain SPF in it, which is quite great because in summer we really don't want to get tanned, and this product help us to get rid of that the UV rays and the harmful like UV rays which can cause skin tanning and everything. So yeah, all the product as well as all the product which they have sent, all the product are from the like organic and premium quality brands. So yeah, thumbs up for that as well. To be very honest, I already opened up the box and I've seen the product, and yeah, I'm very excited to unbox it now. Now coming to the cost, the price of this box is rupees 399, but if you take a subscription of like 6 months, you will get it for rupees 289. That means you'll be quite like saving lots and lots of money. And yeah, about the disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. Actually, GlamEgo has mailed me, and they have told me to make an unboxing video, and I was really very happy because getting such a big offer from such a big brand called GlamEgo, it means a lot to me. So I happily agreed, and yeah, yesterday I've got the box, and yeah, I'm so much excited to unbox it now. So without wasting any time, let's see what are the product contained in this box, and let's get started. Now as you open up the box, you'll find a card over here. Now let me show you what they have mentioned in the card. Now in the card they have written the summer skincare product with SPF and sun protection. This is really very obvious because as the summer season is here, so we need to take care of our skin because UV rays really damages our skin. So we need to use the product which contains SPF and sun protection in it. So they have, in this month they have sent the product which contains SPF, which is like great, and also with this they have given the details of all the product, the names and the prices of everything. And in the back side of it, here as you can see, they have mentioned the names of all the social media handles like their Instagram ID, Facebook and YouTube channel. So you can go through that as well. I will give the link in the description box below. You can check that out. Now let's move on to the product. So the first product which I find in the box is from the brand called VEDIC, and the first product is the gold facial kit, which is like great because we need to do a regular facial on our skin, because regular facial keeps our face really very pampered, and we need to pamper our skin really well, especially on the summer season because UV rays really damages our skin. And they have also written that it gives a luster and glow to our skin, and it is enriched with the benefit of gold and saffron, which helps to keep your skin pure and healthy. And also it is a paraben free product. As you can see, it is a fully Ayurvedic product, and also they have given the procedure how you have to apply the facial kit. You can also apply it in your home as well. It is really very easy to apply. It is not fully like a professional one. So also they have mentioned the suggestions and the tips on how to apply it. And as you open up the box, you will see some chassis, and in this packets you will they have mentioned all the step, like the step 1 is cleanser, and the step 2 is a scrub, and step 3 is the saffron facial cream, step 3 is a massage, step 4 is a massage gel, and step 5 is the face pack, and the final step is to moisturize, that is the moisturizing serum. Let me know guys if you wanna watch a video on the facial tutorial. I would love to make a video of that as well. So this is the first product which I've got in the box. Now let's move on to the next product. So the next product which I have got in this box is from the brand called Tjori, and it is also an organic product, and it is basically a wild turmeric anti-tan treatment. And we really get tan during summer, so we really don't want that. So we need to take care of our skin. So this face pack helps to remove the tan from our face and neck. So if you purchase the box, you need to apply this face pack at least twice a week. If you apply once a week, that is also great, but if you apply twice a week this face pack, the result will be great. And it contains wild turmeric, which has many benefits. I hope you know that. And they have also given the the direction how to use it. You have to mix the face pack with the water or the rose water and apply on your face and neck. Then try to keep this face pack at least 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off and pat dry. Then you can apply your regular moisturizer and you will see the results. So this is the second product which I have got in this box. Now let's move on to the next product. And the third product which I have got in this box is basically a lip moisturizer, and it is from the brand called Island Kiss, and it is basically a lip moisturizer, and it is a fully organic product, and it helps to nourish, soften and soothe and replenish your lips. So try to apply it regularly, because we need to keep our lips hydrated as we keep our skin hydrated. So we really need to keep our lips hydrated as well, because in the summer our lips also get tan, so we don't want that. So basically this lip moisturizer helps to get rid of that tan and chapped lips. And here they have mentioned that it is 100% organic and 100% pure, so it does not have any side effect and it does not contain any parabens. So this is the third product, and as you can see, it is a petroleum free sun protection, non-toxic and safe. It also contains sun protection, which is like great. So yeah, so this is the third product which I have got in this box. Now let's move on to the next product. And the next product which I have got in this box is from the brand called NELF USA, and it is a fairness compact powder with UV and SPF 18. It contains UV and SPF 18, which helps to keep our skin from the sun damage, because sun damage really damages our skin. I'm repeating again this line. And yeah, after applying this compact powder, you don't need to apply any sunscreen because it contains sun protection in it, and SPF 18 is enough for the Indian skin tone. So let me show you now the inner product first. So this is the inner product which I have got, and my shade is shade number 01, that is medium. So you can select your shade, that is completely up to you. They will give you choices of I think 3 different shades, and I have chosen the medium. And yeah, this is the product, and I'm really very happy to get this product, and according to me this is the star product because I really needed this. And yeah, I'm so very happy to get this product, and this is the fourth product which I have got in this box. Now let's move on to the final product. So the last and the final product which I have got in this box is from the Natural Bath and Body, and it is a clarifying face mask which contains sea clay in it. So basically it is a clay mask, and this type of face mask helps to remove the suntan from our face. So I'm very happy to get it, and the exact price is not mentioned here because you will not get the same product which I have got here, because you will get the product under rupees 150 and they will send the product randomly according to their choice. So I've got this, and I'm very happy to get this product, and especially this mask helps to remove the suntan on the summer season. So yeah, I'm very happy to get this product. And this Natural Bath and Body is also an organic product, and it does not contain any paraben, so it does not have any side effect. So yeah, this is the final product which I have got in this box. So let me tell you the prices of all the product, as during the unboxing time I forgot to mention the prices. So the first product is the lip moisturizer, and the cost of this product is of rupees 499. The second product is from Tjori, and that is the anti-tan face pack, and it is worth rupees 525. And the next product is from the NELF USA, and it is a compact powder, and the worth of this product is rupees 350. Next product is from VEDIC line, and it is a gold facial kit, and the worth of this product is rupees 350. And the last and the final product is you will get it random product. You will not get the same product which I have got, and all the product is under rupees 150, and it is according to their choice which they will send you. So these are the costs of all the product which they have sent me, and it is worth buying, guys, because in rupees 399 you will get all the product from the luxurious brand and organic brand which which is like great, you know. So I will highly recommend you guys to purchase this box. I have given the details, the purchase link as well in the description box below, so you can check that out. So yeah, so these are all the details of all the product. So guys, this was all about the unboxing video of the April month's GlamEgo box, and I hope this video was helpful to you. I will give the purchase link in the description box below, so you can follow the link and you can purchase the box of the April month's GlamEgo box. And yeah, if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also please don't forget to share this video with your friends and also in all your social media networks. And yeah, if you are new here, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means a lot to me. And if you are a returning subscriber, then please hit the bell icon because without that you will not be getting any notification of my future updates. So make sure to hit the bell icon, and you can also follow me on all my social media networks. I have given the link of all my social media networks in the description box below. So yeah, with all the self promotion done, and with this I end my video. This is JOYEETA signing off now. Until next time, keep updating.